Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, this channel is taking a look at the Ridgeyard 3-pin XLR cable, specifically the 10-foot or 3-meter version. This is designed as a professional DMX cable for stage lighting applications. Examining the build, the cable features a flexible 6mm PVC jacket, which feels durable and makes it easy to handle and coil up after a show without worrying about damage. The connectors are sturdy metal XLRs, male on one end and female on the other, providing a secure connection that feels reliable when plugging into lights or controllers. The ease of plugging and unplugging is noted. Inside, the construction is key for DMX signals. The description highlights duo foil and copper braided shielding, along with an all-copper conductor and a reinforced inner copper spiral shield. This level of shielding is crucial for preventing signal interference, which is vital for stable DMX control during a performance. While the description mentions excellent sound quality and noise reduction for a DMX cable, this translates directly to signal integrity. The stated 95% noise reduction capability means a cleaner, more reliable data signal is transmitted, preventing glitches or dropouts in your lighting rig. This robust shielding protects the DMX signal from external noise, ensuring the lights respond correctly. The 3-pin configuration is standard for many DMX fixtures, and this cable is presented as suitable for a wide range of equipment, including moving headlights, LED par lights, spotlights, and other stage, audio, and DJ lighting with XLR DMX input and output. The 10-foot length offers a good balance for many common stage setups, providing enough reach without excessive slack. Overall, the Ridgeyard 3-pin XLR DMX cable appears to be a well-constructed option focused on providing reliable and interference-resistant connection for stage lighting. The combination of flexible jacket, sturdy metal connectors, and comprehensive internal shielding aims to ensure stable DMX signal transmission, which is paramount for any lighting professional or enthusiast.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.